Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the open shell stitch, which is nice for scarves and blankets. To begin, chain 38, or any multiple of 12 plus 2. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet in the next chain. Skip 2 chains, and in the next chain, make a shell stitch, consisting of 3 double crochet stitches, 2 and 3, then a chain 1, and then 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 2 chains again, and in the next chain, make 1 single crochet. Skip 2 chains again, and in the next chain, we're going to make another type of shell stitch. This one consists of 1 double crochet, chain 3, and another double crochet stitch. Skip 2 chains again, and make a single crochet. You can see how we're alternating shell stitches with a single crochet in between. To continue, skip 2 chains, and in the next chain, do that first shell stitch again, which consists of 3 double crochet stitches, then a chain 1, and then 3 double crochet stitches again, 2 and 3. Skip 2 chains, and in the next chain, make 1 single crochet. Skip 2 chains again, and in the next chain, make that second type of shell stitch, which consists of 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and 1 double crochet. Skip 2 chains, and make 1 single crochet in the next chain. Continue this pattern across the row. All of the rows after this are much easier. To begin row 2, you can change to another color or just keep the same one. Chain 3 and turn your work. We're going to put the opposite type of shell stitch above each of these shell stitches. In this one, we're going to do the 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, 2 and 3. And then above this one, we're going to do the 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet type of shell. And we'll switch again for the next one. Do the 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3 above this one, and switch again for the next one, which is a double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet. Continue alternating these shell stitches across the row. At the end, make a double crochet in the top of the turning chain. As before, you can keep the same color or switch over to another color like I always do. Begin with a chain 3. And we're going to just keep repeating row 2 for the rest of the pattern. And above this shell stitch, do its opposite one, which is the 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet, and 3. And then above this next one, do its opposite, which is 1 double crochet, chain 3, and 1 double crochet. Continue this across the row. At the end, Just remember that 1 double crochet in the turning chain. And continue repeating row 2 for this row and all other rows until you are happy with the number of rows you have. And that's how I make my open shell stitch pattern.